anything. So you understand that NP.
The second phase of the interstate border talks on resolving the dispute between Meghalaya and Assam in 6 remaining areas of contention has been delayed for over 6 months, and now the talks are likely to be held only after the declaration of the Lok Sabha poll results on June 4th. The regional committees of West Khasi Hills and Ribhoi district are still awaiting nods from their Assam counterparts to conduct the joint survey in the disputed cities. Nongpoh MLA and member of the Ribhoi Regional Committee, Meral Bonsaim, hoped that after the declaration of the election results, both sides will fix a date and take forward the pending matter regarding the second phase. Saim admitted that the delay in resolution of the borders dispute was providing the active radical groups with opportunities to take advantage of the sensitive situation on religious grounds.
Two regional committee, we will decide the date on that, and we could pursue ahead the long pending matter with regards to the talk on the second phase, especially the area of difference in Ribhoi district, which is Nongwa Mautamur, Bordwar, Desdomria, and Block 2. These are the 4 parts which are there in Ribhoi district. And I'm very optimistic this time around that after the general election in the Lok Sabha, we will positively have a meeting and then followed by a spot inspection to